Today we have one Chromebook laptop motherboard. Okay, here you can see the charging PD charging IC. It's a short. I just removed that one, U2 IC, and another one is the. When I check the thermal camera, I got a short, the couple IC, the power IC. Okay, the power IC also it's short, and through the CPU also getting heat from the thermal camera. So first of all, I will just reinstall the IC. Okay, I had the donor board from another Chromebook. Actually, this laptop is a Dell laptop, Dell Chromebook, and this one I think from the Dell. Okay, but I have the same both IC from this board. Okay, it is the second IC and the first charging IC. This is the one. Okay, I think the can you see the U18 IC? This is the one also getting short. Let me check the but in thermal camera I couldn't find any heat this IC. Okay, I found only this section and this area also. The CPU also getting hot. Maybe this IC the short, that's why. Okay, first I'll just remove this IC, then I will find the where is the next short. Okay. Okay, just now we have fixed the donor board IC. Okay, so I think right now it's fine. Let me check it. Okay, and another IC also I need to change the PD charging IC. Okay, which one is I remove? The print also I need to repair. Now you can see I just changed the both IC. Okay, which one is the short? This is the IC for the charging Type C PD charging IC. Okay, that's the one old one. I changed this one also. The power IC, which one? This also I changed the new one. The problem is it's the same issue. It's not turning on, and right now I got the problem the CPU. So the CPU change, there's no benefit because this is a Chromebook, and so that's why we just returned the laptop. So we are not going to repair. Okay.